Stride Treglown is an international business. We have 240 employees and our turnover is approximately 15 million. Stride Treglown goals are to have a practice that has international reputation, national coverage and local knowledge. We need to be innovative in our approach, in our designs and in our relationships, and that's a really exciting future for us because we want to be the preferred choice for contractors, clients and employees. The main challenges facing the industry at the moment are the pressure on lower fees for architects to deliver buildings for their clients very quickly as well. So it's about the speed of delivery and it's about the lower cost of delivery. So it's actually about engaging with the client and about working smarter with them and finding new ways for us to deliver our work, to deliver our service, to build those great buildings for them. Part of adapting the use of BIM is that you do have to change your core strategy within your business. You have to invest in the software, but importantly, there's a cultural shift in how you design buildings. People need to be trained differently. It is no longer a drawing board, an electronic drawing board. It is about creating a virtual building. And to do that means a shift change in work patterns. And once you achieve that, you get huge benefits from it. But getting there is a hill to climb, but once you climb it, you see great views.
We're finding that the increase in regulation and legislation is making the building process more complex. Probably leading that is the big emphasis on sustainability and carbon footprint reduction. And certainly what we can do with the software that we have is sort of help that process along. We can now build quite complex models which allow that building to be studied and for that building to be verified against a whole raft of different legislative requirements. The BIM and Revit element of our toolkit is incredibly helpful in making sure that we can check and cross-check how big our buildings are, what volumes we're creating and what space we're creating within them. And that's been a real boon actually for the business. We've used Revit in particular to communicate to our clients, which has previously been quite a clunky process, but now we can take a laptop when we see our clients and take them through a building, spin the building around, take them sections through the building immediately. We can use it as a really iterative design tool, and that's really appreciated because what that enables our clients to do is to really feel part of that design process. Working in a large team means working collaboratively, and we've been working in that way for some time now. With a whole range of different disciplines and different consultants, different contractors, different subcontractors who have used BIM as a tool to communicate whatever they're doing. And it's beneficial to everybody. It's beneficial to the subcontractor because it makes his life a lot easier when he gets to site, and it makes our life a lot easier because we don't have problems when we get to site. And it's financially very beneficial for all of us.
The use of building information modelling enables us as architects to concentrate on the product, as in the building, rather than the process to get there. Because a lot of the repetitive element of design is done for you, so you can actually concentrate on what things look like and how they're going to work. The main workflow issues that we face is the speed with which we have to produce the construction drawings. And because everything is already in the Revit model at planning stage, it's quite easy for us to produce schedules and presentation information, and also to do 3Ds with the contractor or the other engineers to explain to them how the building works and where any conflicts might arise. What we try to do is use the same Revit model all the way through, and so that same model will continue through to the construction information. There's consistency and continuity. Chris and I work closely together to try and ensure that the design intent that he had in the beginning is actually implemented in the final building as built.
BIM helps us communicate better, and it helps us coordinate better. It helps us keep all our information in one place, and it means that we can then make sure that we're more efficient in what we do.
My message to the industry is that can we work in a different way? Because when we do, and when we all invest in BIM, we will all see the efficiencies of it, and we'll all start to see the delivery of projects in a different way. And once we do that, we get an exciting future.